Hello auditors, welcome to Open Zeppelin Magic Number Challenge. We can see that over here this is the contract, and in order to solve this challenge we basically have to set the solver to a certain address that returns the number 42, which is quite interesting. And also this must be done with a maximum of 10 opcodes at most, which is slightly tricky but is manageable. Let's dive into the code. So you can see that this is the contract that I've pasted from Ethernaut. Let's just remove it, it's the same thing. So let's solve this particular challenge. So I actually went to search what the hex for the contract that returns 42, and I found this hexadecimal. So what this is actually converts it to a bytecode which will deploy a contract that returns 42. So this is basically a contract that is in this particular hexadecimal and that returns a 42. Okay, anyways, let's just move on. So over here, I have actually written some simple example. So what this does is that it actually creates the code. So firstly, we have this value, offset, and size. So we have to put the value of which the pointer in the memory of the code which is stored is 0. And then secondly, we have the offset. And since we know a dynamic array, the first 32 bytes is the array length, we can just skip it. So we create this add bytecode of 32 bytes, and which 32 bytes in the hexadecimal is 0x20. Moving on, we have the last one, basically the size of the code. The reason why it is 13 is because when we take this hexadecimal, which is 38 characters, where each character is 4 bytes, 4 bits, so 2 character is 8 bytes, so basically we just get everything divided by 2, which you get 19. And then when we convert this 19 bytecode to hex, it becomes 13. Therefore, we put here hexadecimal 13. And then lastly, we will check the address whether it is deployed, and then we will call the solver address, which also will set the address of the particular contract that returns 42. So let's just call the contract. So now I'll pause the video. Hello, we are back. You can see that the contract is now deployed. So basically we just deploy the contract and submit the contract address into this particular constructor so that it can act like a interface. And over here you can see that the contract has been solved. This challenge has been completed. So if you guys like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.